Right, so in this case with Gelosia method we've got a 2 by 2 grid because we've got a 2-digit multiplied by 2-digit number. You see 32 along the top, 3 and 2 above each box, 1 and 8 then to the right of each box there. So we just focus now on each box, okay, one at a time, and so we start this box here, okay, doesn't matter where you start in this box, and you're going to look above, you've got 2, you're going to look to the right, you've got 1. 2 times 1 is 2, yeah? So you're going to multiply them, 2 above, 1 here, and 2 times 1 is 2. Now when you've got 2, a single digit, the unit needs to go here. And you might be wondering what goes up here. Remember, you put the tens up here, don't you? And because your answer was 2, well, you're just going to say I've got 0 tens. That's one way of writing 2, isn't it? 0, 2. This box down here, well, you've got 8 to the side here and 2 above. So you've got to do 2 times 8, which is 16. So I'll put 6 here and carry the tens in here. Okay, so the units here, tens here. This box there, well, I've got 3 above, 1 over here. 3 times 1 is just 3. Okay, so again, put the units here, and there's no tens, so put 0 above that. And this final box, well, I've got 3 above, 8 to the right, so I'm going to do 3 times 8, which is 24, so I put the units here 4, put the tens here, which is 2. And all I do then is I go along the diagonals. You've got to start here, okay? It's so important that you start at the bottom, right? And you see why in a moment. So you start here, so you've got 6. Then if we add along here, you've got 2, 1 and 4. That comes to 7. Along here, 3 and 2 is 5. And then along this diagonal, well, there's nothing there. So you could put 0, I suppose. But you can see then your answer is written out for us there in order. So we've got 576. Now again, we could check by estimating. Now with estimating here, you want to be able to do this in your head. 32, well, it's close to 30, isn't it? 18, well, that's close to 20. Okay. If we do 3 times 2, we can do that in our heads. 3 times 2 is 6. And of course you've got the 2 zeros then added on, so you get 600. Pretty close, isn't it? Pretty close. It's not going to be exact because it's an estimate, but it's pretty close, and you can be confident then that this answer is correct.